My name is Gianluca. I'm a computer programming student here at Algonquin College. I'm an amateur Muay Thai artist and bowler. I chose Algonquin College because I worked with a lot of people that went to Algonquin College for the same program that I'm taking right now. Hearing the experiences that all of my fellow coworkers went through and the hands-on work that they got to do in that sort of field really made me interested. What I like most about my time here is all of the group work that I've had. I've become a lot more collaborative with other people, especially throughout this program. It relies a lot on working with others to collaborate on projects in order to get them done, and it really sparks the creativity that a lot of us have. The labs here at Algonquin College are very well equipped with all the hardware that we need for our program. They're a great space for us to hone and develop our skills that we're trying to learn here. What I like most about Algonquin College has to be the ton of amenities that they have. There's always events going on, there's plenty of sports to play, there's a bowling lanes, pool tables, you're never bored here. I am an Algonquin College student and I am excited about what the future brings.